Welcome back. This is part 2 of Picture, Box, Pan, Zoom, Crop, and more revisited. Let's go ahead and get started creating this application. We're going to go ahead and create a new project. We're going to name it Demo Image Viewer. It automatically creates a new form. We're going to go ahead and give the form a different size. We're going to go ahead and change a setting here so the application always pops up on the screen we're working on. We'll call that main form location. Change this to system drawing point. And go ahead and close that. Yes, we're going to save that. Now we come back here under application setting, location, main form location. Now we'll go ahead and run this. Drag the window back over here, and now it should open up every time over here. And it does. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save our application called Demo Image Viewer in the default projects folder. Okay, now to get a picture box to have the scroll bars like these, what we need to do is install a panel and dock it and turn on auto scroll. That's going to give us our scroll bars for our picture box. Now the picture box goes inside that, and we'll put it up in the corner here and set the size mode to auto size. And then what I'm going to do, whoops, here, hold on before I do the auto size. I want to resize it so it fills up my starting window. So now it's filling up my starting window. Now I'm going to do auto size. That way when I click on my menu, I don't have to be right on the tiny little picture up there. I can click anywhere in the window here and I'll get my menu. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. And now we pretty much got the picture box set up with the auto scroll. Let's go ahead and add the context menu tool strip. Drag that over here. It's going to give us that down at the drop down there. Let's go ahead and change this. Call it picture box menu. And we're going to come down to the collections. And we're going to start adding the collections in. So we're going to go ahead and click add. And then we're going to name this one as copy. Call it copy selection. And if you want, you can do an auto tooltip text here of copies selected rectangle to clipboard. Let's go ahead and add the next one. And this name is going to be load image. Oops. Load. Here's where we want load in image. Tooltip text. And the next one is going to be pan image. Pans image on screen. And we'll call this one pan. And the next one is print. Prints selected rectangle to default printer. Typing too fast. Print selection. And the next one is the reset. Reset image. Resets image to original. Reset. Then we have rotate. Rotates image 90 degrees clockwise. This is just what I picked. You can actually rotate it whatever you want. Rotate image. And then we have select, tool. Draws rectangle at desired area. And one more is the zoom. Zooms image. And we'll just call that zoom. And tool. Okay, so there we have our main Picturebox menus, but now we want to do a subset of the zoom. So what we want to do is click on our zoom tool strip menu item, and then under drop down items we're going to go ahead and add another collection. Zoom to 200%. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. 100. Change that. Change that. Just 2 more to go. Zoom to 50%. And 25%. Okay. So now we've got all of our menu settings. And you can see here, it's all our selections for our menus. Okay. A couple more things we need to add here. We need to add an open file dialog. So we can open up files. And we also need to open or add a print document control so we can print. If you want, you can change the name of the print document here. By default, it's set to document, and that's what the document will be named when you print it. Let's go back to the code here. And start adding a couple of things. This is for file stream. Functionality, and I can't spell. Alright, let's go ahead and add some variables. I'm going to do some copy and pasting here to speed things up. Oops, put them in the wrong place, of course. Put them here where they belong. Okay, I've got the variables set up, and the next session we'll start doing some of the code. I'll be doing a lot of cut and pasting, so it'll go kind of quick. Thank you very much, and see you on Chapter 3.